2024 aspirants.
With the class 10th examinations out of the way, we are all set to embark on our 2-year-long journey to NEET 2024.
The road to NEET 2024 is not going to be easy. It is going to require a lot of work and the best of you to get the best results. Our NEET experts have put forth a comprehensive program to help you in your exam preparation from day one itself.
Introducing Mission MBBS for NEET 2024 starting 30th May 2022.
So mark your calendars and get ready, because come 30th May, we will be answering your most searched questions first.
Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy learning!